Hey everyone, Casey here from Clientric. So for today's tutorial, we're going to continue on with our Zoho workflow. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow, but also create a notification attached to it. So this is going to send a notification to another individual within your company or yourself, whatever it may be. And you're going to see how that works. So we're already logged in. We're going to go over to this cog icon over here on the top right. We're going to select that. Then we're going to click the workflow rules under the automation section. And once we do that, we can create the new rule. So this new rule, we're going to say, let's say a lead. Let's go rule name. So let's just say it is a new lead. And let's say this triggers when a new lead enters our system. So in this case, we're going to say on a record action. When this record is created, that this workflow will trigger. In this case, we could set up a certain filter that would allow us to trigger certain actions based on different characteristics of that lead. In this case, we could select something like country. And if it's in the US, so let's say that it is in United States. So if country equals that, then we want to do this thing. So once this lead has been created, we'll only trigger this action if the country is United States. So in this case, we could have two options here. We can create an email notification and we can create a task within Zoho. So in this case, we want to create a task and we want to create a new task and say new US lead. That allows us to say the trigger date plus 0 days, because we have to make sure that it happens right away. We want to set the status to, we could say anything here, waiting for input, completed, in progress, deferred, not started. In this case, we're going to say not started. We can set the priority because it's a new lead. We would almost want to say highest, assigned to user 1. I am the only user in this system right now, but you could always select a separate user if there were multiple users. You can also notify assignee and remind the assignee, and the same date or 1 day before due date at, let's say, 2 p.m. You can alert through email and alert through pop-up in the application itself in Zoho CRM. In this case, we just want to go through email, and let's say that, hey, user 1, you've got a new lead. Please review and reach out. So this is a new task that is sent to this user based off of the filters that we've created. So in this case, we want to only run this when leads match maybe, let's say, Canada. So maybe you have different people that get assigned to different leads, or maybe you have different people that reach out based off of the geography, wherever they may be. Now that we've created this other filter condition, we can actually trigger another action based off of another piece of information. So in this case, let's say if this lead is from Canada, we want to trigger another task to be created. So we could again go through all this and say new Canadian lead. And then you can assign it to this, go through that process, and then save and associate. In this case, we're just going to get rid of this, but it is possible to do that. And at the end of the day, you can also just, if it is not United States, so if the country is not United States, then do this. So if specifically it is this thing, then do this. If it's not this thing, then do that. So it's very, very simple, very, very straightforward. If you have any questions, as always, post them in the comments below this video, and make sure that you continue to subscribe to our videos. There's a lot of great content coming out, and we want to make sure that you are the first to see it and hear it. So please be sure to subscribe, and we look forward to you joining us on future tutorials. Anyways, have a great day, everyone. Bye for now. Please be sure to subscribe, and we look forward to you joining us on future tutorials. Anyways, have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.